How can I find the first occurrence of a substring in a Python string? Given the string the dude is a called dude, I'd like to find the first index of dude. What is the Python command for this?
Find.
Quick overview, index and find. Next to the find method there is as well index. Find and index both yield the same result, returning the position of the first occurrence, but if nothing is found, index will raise a value error whereas find returns -1. Speed-wise, both have the same benchmark results. Additional knowledge, find and index. In general, find and index return the smallest index where the passed-in string starts, and the find and index return the largest index where it starts. Most of the string searching algorithms search from left to right, so functions starting with R indicate that the search happens from right to left. So in case that the likelihood of the element you are searching is close to the end than to the start of the list, the find or index would be faster. Source, Python, Visual Quick Start Guide, Toby Donaldson. To implement this in algorithmic way, by not using any Python inbuilt function. This can be implemented as
Verse equals if you can keep your head when all about you \n are losing theirs and blaming it on you, \n if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, \n but make allowance for their doubting too, \n if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, \n or being lied about. Don't deal in lies, \n nor being hated. Don't give way to hating, \n and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise.
If you are visible, please consider subscribing.